So they ask us, right? We have so many startups who come to us and who ask that what would be the good software investment or SaaS-based software investment at this point of time? Because the whole world's economy is upside down. People are working some other way around than they used to work, and the life is moving completely upside down. There are so many startups who have taken good level of advantages of the current situation to get into the market, right? But when they ask us that, what should be the perfect investment, like, I guess anything or any service you provide at this point of time to cater the customers in the right way, it's a good service. But if you ask me one, I would say restaurant table booking application. Yeah. So this video is all about getting into in depth of restaurant table booking application, getting into the business models, revenue models, user type, facilities, and the cost of development. Hey guys, my name is Deep, and today we are going to talk about one of the most flourishing business opportunity or a SaaS-based investment to do at this point of time after the current pandemic situation. Yes, restaurant table booking application, something similar to OpenTable. Alright, so let's get into the details on what all the types of users are there, what would be the best way to develop, and what all the features you should plan it. So initially, let's divide the whole platform into three major user type. User type 1, the users or the diners. There are the people who come into the platform, book a table, and that are the most important user type because they pour money into the platform, right? Second is the restaurants. The restaurant owners who sign up to your platform, sign up their additional branches, who manages the staff, menus, and each and everything. And third, it's you, the administrator of the platform, who manages the whole platform. Okay, so we can start with the first user type, that is the users or the diners. So what all the facilities do you think we need for the diners who come into the platform to access the platform and get most out of it? Finding the restaurant, not just finding, but finding the restaurant based on their preferences, based on the cuisine type, based on the ratings, based on their other preferences, right? Then booking a table. No one likes, right? Even you or me, we don't like to wait at the restaurant for our turn to come. So booking the table at the right time for the right spot, right? Arranging the things, splitting the payments, facility for you to, of course, payment would be there, but split payment facilities for you and your friends to split the payment. Multiple payment options, whether you want to pay inside the application with your card or through cash. And versus that, the restaurant should have facility to accept all the payment method in the application itself. Apart from that, you need to have the facility for reviews and ratings, the reward points to make sure that the customers come back. Good or very attractive discount coupon, so that you can cater right amount of discounts for right type of users with correct analysis, right? So these are the facilities you'll need for the users. Of course, these are very, very basic ones. We can plan for so many other features, so many other facilities, but this would be, I guess, a good start, in case you plan for a lower budget platform. Now let's talk about the second user type, that are the restaurants. What would be the best platform for the restaurant owners? A platform which actually helps the restaurant owners to manage their whole business in the single application, right? You don't want them to use other services or other resources to manage the restaurant. So a complete solution for them to manage their staff members, manage their different branches, manage not just the staff members but the sub-staff members. So say for a situation that they'll have one manager, then they'll have one cashier, then they'll have kitchen staff, then they'll have waiters, right? So complete staff management. Apart from that, you can also plan for inventory management, wherein you allow them to calculate the inventory based on the things they have served to the customer, so that they know that what things are to be purchased at what point of time. Apart from that, this is just one aspect of the restaurant, right? The other aspect is to manage the customers, to see which customer came when and how to give them a good offer so that they come back again, right? So managing the customer, managing the staff, and then of course managing the payments. There should be an easy way for them to receive the payment which the customer paid, to have the complete analytics and detailing of each and every single customer of each and every single day, and of course for each and every single branch they manage, right? Again, these are really basic things. You can plan for multi-language module, you can plan for many other modules here, but this is a good start, I would say, for a perfect low competitive market, right? We can plan for much more things based on your requirement. Now, let's talk about the third user type, that is you as an administrator. Now, you are the one who manages the whole business. So first and foremost, the basic facilities what you'll need is easy way for the restaurant onboarding and verifying the restaurant, managing the users, more detailed analytics for each and every restaurants to make sure that you give them good cost based on the business they do, complete control over the privacy, complete control over the system to make sure that you don't set up the right commission or right revenue model for each and every restaurant, right? Now, there are so many various revenue model you can plan in a restaurant table booking application, but that would go a bit longer for this video. So in the next video, what we are going to do is we'll make a specific dedicated video wherein we'll be discussing the revenue and the business models you can plan for a restaurant table booking business. Now, let's talk about the other facilities, right? You are running this business, but you are not alone. You have employees, you have other staff members who manage the whole business, and you want them to do their job in the perfect way. So for that, what we need? A sub-administrator module wherein every person has limited rights based on their profile. So your account manager just have the details of their accounting. Your restaurant management team only have the details of the restaurants and the menus and the other settings, right? So this would be a good comprehensive model to make sure that you run the whole business in a really right way. We can go into any level of features and modules, but these are something which I would say that very comprehensive basic level of features to get started with the business, right? So now we are basically done with all the three user types. So let's talk about the cost. Now, if you're planning for a very basic set of features, right? Say for a situation you're planning for something which is just a good to start platform, right? Consider a rough range of around $50,000 to $60,000 for Android application, iOS application, and of course both in mobile view as well as tablet view, right? Now, if you are planning for some high-end features which are which will really help you to shoot the business in the right direction, consider roughly around $70,000 to $80,000 with Android application, iOS application, as well as a functional website, right? Now, if you see this cost, these are again I'm repeating it, but these are very rough cost based on our understanding of the business and based on the facilities what we feel will be right in the definition of basic as well as advanced. So now it's completely up to you, what level of features you want to plan, what level of facilities you plan for each of the user type. You might just want to start with Android, you might just want to start with iOS or web. So that will of course make a huge difference in the cost, right? So yeah, that is it in terms of the cost, right? Now, if you know someone who might be interested in a restaurant table booking application, make sure that you share this video. In case you like the video, please share your detailed requirement with us at sales@ibixo.com, or you can reach us directly at +91 84 601 84608. That is +91 84 601 84608. That's the same number is also available on WhatsApp as well. So in case you want to reach us, you can reach us on WhatsApp, direct phone line, or you can send us an email with your requirements. You can also visit our site www.ibixo.com. Link is in the description. You can access each and every information from there. So in case you know someone, please share the video. In case you have any requirements, you're watching the video till now, that means you have an idea in mind. Make sure you get in touch with us with the URL in the description. Drop in request for proposal, get in touch with us on our phone number, follow us on your social media. In the next video, we are going to talk about the revenue models you can plan for the restaurant table booking application. Signing off for now, my name is Deep and this is a good video from Ibixo Studios.